the middle of Glen Alpha, a staircase descends to a little landing lower in the gorge. Here, a stupendous rocky scene rises around you. Two waterfalls are visible upstream, and the creek follows a twisting, polished path in the other direction toward Entrance Cascade. The cliffs above are rough and broken, with an occasional tree here or shrub there on the slope of rocky debris at the bottom. But down along the stream, the steep rocky flanks of the creek are smooth and winding with very few plants. This is the flood zone, scraped by sand, gravel, and stones, in torrents caused by heavy rain or melting snow. One front line of downward erosion where floods deepen the glen and smooth its rock.